Hi guys! I have received Tati Beauty palette. I got the volume 1 and it took it about 2 weeks before it gets to me. So I'm filming a YouTube video for this one, but I would just want to create different looks before I film the actual YouTube video because Teddy worked so hard for this and I don't want to just hop on the camera and just open it up and just swatch it and not really know what to say. I want to be able to use all the shades actually on my eyes before I hop on and create the YouTube video. So here they are. I got it in the box. Are you ready? I'm not ready. No, actually, I've opened this up already. I had to do that so that I can be sure that nothing is broken. But here we are. So pretty, right? Stunning. So we have the box and I don't know what to do with it. Like, I want to keep it. And then it comes with this sleeve packaging right here. It's matte and it actually feels like rubber. So slick but very minimalist. And this is the palette. It has a weight to it. It's a little bit heavy. And the reason for that is there is a big ass mirror right there. I've never had a palette with this huge of a mirror. And so this is convenient if you need to take it with you and travel. So you have all of the colors that you will need in your life, plus this mirror to do your makeup because you don't have a proper mirror in hotels and vacation places. So the story behind the palette is you have 4 different formulas and 5 different types of stories. So we have here memory and ritual, story, soothe, aura, and poet. What I have right now is poet on my eyes. It's so stunning. I mean, if you watch my videos in my channel, you will see that I made a review. Granted, it's a first impression review that I did for Pat McGrath. It was my first ever Pat McGrath palette. It has a glitter shade as well, right here, but you know, it did not perform as good as the glitter shades in this palette did. It's very pigmented. There will be fallouts because of the way that it was made to give, for the shadows to be able to give more pigment, it has to be pressed not so tightly as to avoid fallout. But so there's going to be fallout. You just have to do your eyes first. Anyway, if you're doing any glittery makeup, you should do your eyes first. So I want to create how many? 5 different stories, 6 different stories for each of the palette that for each of the eye colors that I'm going to make. This is what I did today, and I just tried it on right now. It's super nice. So do you see the blue specks of glitter underneath the glitter? I'm not sure if you could see it, but there's this blue violet specks, and it's coming from this shade right here. So I'm gonna swatch this first shade in here, and in tomorrow's video I'm going to swatch the next shade that I'm gonna be using, this one. So we're going to swatch the matte palette. That is just one touch right there. Do you see? And let's swatch it here in my arm. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And you would know that this is very blendable because you could still like drag it in towards the end of your arm right there. That's so pretty. The next shade is in Poet Sequin. That's so hard for me to say. So this has a cranberry color and a blue violet. Sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's violet. I also see a speck of, no, it's just blue and violet glitter in it. So let's swatch that right here. So pretty. So pretty. So it is the same matte color, just with the glitter in it. The next shade is this metallic of Poet. So we'll just swatch it. I love metallic eyeshadows. So smooth and buttery. Oh my god, that is so smooth to touch. It's like butter on your skin. So pretty. And then the last shade, of course, is the glitter. By the way, it's so easy to apply. I always have a hard time applying glitters. This one is so easy to apply, and I feel that it's literally just glitters. That's so hard to say. So pretty. I'm very careful not to take so much because I don't want to like waste it. But here you go. So the glitter has a little bit of silver specks to it. And it's very easy to apply. I just use my fingers, by the way, to apply it. I applied it with a glitter glue, which I can't see right now. I used the glitter glue right here. Too Faced glitter glue. I use this sparingly on the top of my lids, and then I just pat on and pack on the glitters on top. So yeah, these are the only shades that I have in my eyes right now. This is the matte, sequin, the metallic, and the glitter. Here we go. I love it. It's perfect. I didn't use any other shade. Oh, I did. I did use a little bit of sequin. This shade, Aura in sequin, in the corner of my eyes, just to brighten it up a little bit. I'm so sorry, I'm sick right now, but I want to play with this. I was waiting for it for so long. So we know that this is volume 1, and I love that it looks like a book, so I could just put it in my vanity and it looks like a book. We know that this is volume 1, so there will be more to come, and I'm excited for that. And Tati said that somewhere in one of her videos, I saw her, she said that the next ones are coming Black Friday. That's like next week, so I'm saving up for that. I need that in my life. But yeah, I've always been a Tati subscriber since 7 years ago. So this is such a long time, such a long wait, but it's definitely worth it. So yeah, that's the first color. This is again the Poet, like the cranberry shade. Tomorrow I'll do Aura, and then the next day I'll do Soothe, and then after that Story, Ritual, and Memory. So I'll see you again tomorrow on my Instagram, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, you can find me at Mom and Makeup in YouTube. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye!